Hi friends, I just want to give you a quick review on these products that's on sale today. It is the #1 rated brand in cordless outdoor power, exceed the power of gas, industry most advanced technology, e.g. 56 volt battery powers, 50 tools plus. So they have these items on some of the items on sale today, and I don't want you guys to miss them. So the first one is going to be the 50 volt 15-inch string trimmer, battery and charger included. It is on sale for $179. It was $219. Okay, the next one is the split shaft, guys. It is $199. It was $249. The 16-inch battery string trimmer, it is $300. It was $329. Alrighty, another deal is going to be on the 200 MP battery handheld leaf blower. Battery and charger included for $300. It was $329. 18-inch chain saw bar. It is on sale for $9.92. The original price is $40. 10-inch pole saw attachment is on clearance for $42.22. The original price is $169. Oh my goodness, what a steal. Yes. So let's see if they have anything else on clearance here. These items are not on sale, but I do want to show you more of their items by Ego. This first one is the 21-inch push mower for $449. The runtime on this one is up to 55 minutes. Okay, the 21-inch self-propel lawnmower is $549. The runtime is up to 50 minutes, and again, self-propel. The last one is this 21-inch touch drive self-propel. It is $649. Color is just so beautiful. I absolutely love this green, black, and gray, and I love it. So yes, that's what they have here at Lowe's. I wanted to show you all what they have on sale and a few more of their tools. So there you have it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.